In a normal gas engine, you can hear when you start to get wheel spin, the revs will start to skyrocket. There is virtually nothing with the Audi diesel, and it has taken Lucas a long time to try and acquire that ability of feeling. Oh man, there's a hard hit.
Number 20, that's Butch Leitzinger in the Dyson, the other Dyson car. They had the problem with the pit stop and the puncture for the team car. That is another solid hit.
And the pace car will definitely be coming out again, no question. So let's see if Lucas can get by before it flies out.
Well, the caution was just called, so all the corners will be yellow. And so Lucas not able to get it done. But obviously on a restart, that car, as we've seen, could be very effective. But boy, Butch Leitzinger, what a tough weekend for the Dyson team.
We have 14 minutes left in the race.
Absolutely took the entire left rear corner off that machine.
Butch.
Here is a look at Butch Leitzinger. Truly one of the great drivers America has produced.
Oh yeah, I'm okay. Sorry guys did a good job.
Let's take a look at it, Bill.
Well, there's contact with the Porsche, and I think that's going to start. Yeah, see, a counter rotation. He made contact now.
But no contact there.
Oh, gee, a car going by.